Hello everyone, I'm here to share Photo Folios Style 4 National Scrapbook Day event, May 2nd and 3rd. Myself and Kathryn Krieger with Kathryn Scraps will be hosting a super fun National Scrapbook Day event called Photo Folios. So I'm here to share style number 4 with you all. This is the one I'm calling my Gatefold style photo folio. So this one is using the Pink Paisley Pen Pals collection, and I do have a kit for this one available. Everything you see that I use here, you will receive in your kit. So let me take you in on a little tour of this folio. So gatefold style, and it opens up like this to reveal this beautiful layout right here. Again, keep it in line with the folio theme, nice and thin, nice and tidy, clear defining areas for photographs. This one, oh my goodness, you can load it up with 1,000,001 photographs. It opens up further like this. Just right here alone, you have 12 photographs, photo mats. If you go back and forth, you can do 24 photos here. Then you've got your wallet style pockets right here that go all the way down to the bottom for more photographs, journaling, whatever you want to put in here. This will make a wonderful travel style photo folio as well. So then the other side repeats itself. Again, 24 just right here alone, and or 48 if you wanted to do front and back. And you don't have to worry about adding bulk to this and it not functioning and closing properly, because I designed it specifically for photographs. So when you add photographs to this side or the other side or anything in here, you have all of these gusseted areas that will allow for that additional layering, so you don't have to worry about that. So you can do exactly what you see here and still have this beautiful, thin, perfectly housed piece. All right. For the center and the focal point here, we've got a really nice, generous sized pocket here, but also acting as a photo mat area and a journaling spot area. Then this is magnetized, which keeps all of this together. All right, so this pulls down. And look at this paper, how absolutely adorable it is. So that pulls down. You can create another layout here if you want to. Here we've got photo mat pockets. So this is a 4x6 photo mat right here, traditional, or just keeping in line what I've been doing with folio 1 through 3. Here, really nice spaces for journaling. And this is also another pocket up here. When you open this up, you get even more goodness. And then here, clear areas for 4x6 photographs throughout all 3 areas here. And then this is what we have when you flip it back. Our crazy family, how appropriate for my family as well. And 1 and 2 other spaces here. Beautiful portrait area here for some more photographs. And again, these are pockets for some more photographs. So the nice thing about this, guys, is that you can arrange your pages for both portrait, landscape style. So right here is an example of what you would do if you had some landscape style photographs. Here, you can treat these as portrait or split it up to create a landscape orientation. All right, so it's very, very user friendly. You can arrange it in all sorts of different, or should I say, crafter friendly. All right, and you can just mix and match the photo mats and all the other good stuff in this folio, so, and in all of the other folios. So I hope that you guys are tuning in for the reveals of the folios 1 through 6 for me, Kathy at Paper Phenomenon, and for Kathryn at Kathryn Scraps on her YouTube channel. And then you join us for National Scrapbook Day for this amazing, amazing class that we're going to have. You're going to want to pick up your tutorial. I am going to cover one of these during National Scrapbook Day, but then you get all of the videos for the other, folios in the collection. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'll link you down below so you can pick up your goodies and read all about photo folios on National Scrapbook Day. Until next time.